Remember the video where we preserved yams and plantains? Now the plantains and yams are chilling in the freezer. You're not worried about them going bad, but what in the world should you do when you want to fry them? Especially the plantains. Will they turn out good? Will they go soggy? Will they burn? What, when, where, and how do we solve a problem like frying frozen plantains? I will address all that in this video. Okay, the first thing I do is to reflash freeze the plantains long before I need to fry it. If I will fry the plantains, say for dinner, I will do this in the morning. If for breakfast, I'll do this the night before. You see how they are stuck together? I tell you, you can't win when freezing plantains. This staple, especially ripe plantain, is not meant to be frozen. But what can we do? Remember, we are trying to hack these things in Obodo, and most times we are fighting against nature to achieve what we want to achieve. This is why I emphasized so much on making sure that the ripe plantains are firm. This helps minimize this sticking together and sogginess. So I bring out the frozen plantains from the ziploc bag, the quantity I'll fry for the day, separate and lay them on a flat surface like this. Yes, we are rewinding back to the flash freezing stage. Remember, this video is for those who absolutely have a need to freeze plantains. You can see all the work going into it. We're not doing this for fun. It's for a need. Then put it back in the freezer. To fry it, just heat up some oil as usual. Then take the plantains from the freezer and throw into the hot oil. This way, it goes from a completely frozen state into the hot oil. This prevents it from soaking up too much oil and becoming soggy. Stir immediately because these frozen plantains will sink to the bottom, and if you do not stir immediately, they will be stuck there. Please click the like button. Have you? Don't forget while you're eyeing those plantains. Another very important thing, make sure you do not overcrowd them. In fact, even when frying plantains you did not freeze, you should not overcrowd them. When frying frozen ones, even touching each other at all is overcrowding. You don't want the oil to go any cooler. Once golden all over to your liking, take them out. The disc-shaped ones. You see these completely defrosted ones? Let's fry them and see how they will turn out. While that is frying, look at the already fried ones. Not bad, eh? We'll also fry the yam chips in this video, so stay tuned. You see how the already defrosted ones are gumming body? Yeah, this is why you need to take them from the frozen state into the hot oil without wasting time at all. Next, we fry the yam chips. Yam is not sticky, so we do not have the sticky issue we had with the plantains here. So we take them from the ziploc bags, still in the frozen state, straight into the hot oil and fry till golden. Look at them, ready for you to eat with akamo, oatmeal, to snack on with a chilled drink. For the fried plantains, eat with rice, moi moi, beans. What else? Let me know in the comments. Bye bye. See you.